I made my first dollar online in 2013, but it took me 7 years to make a living, mostly because of the 5 reasons I'm about to uncover. So, let's get into it. The first reason I wasted 2 years of my life was that I followed the quick rich ways. Creators like Ali Abdaal say there's no such thing as quick rich, and he's 100% right. You see those experts on YouTube? Those so-called experts write crazy numbers to hook you into watching their videos, and in return, they make money. I don't understand one thing. If they know so many methods, why can't they use those themselves? Why waste time creating, editing, and uploading videos? There are a handful of proven ways to make money online, period. The second reason is that you're following the methods of other creators. Let's take blogging. There are over 600 million blog websites. Do you think your new blog with the same info will stick? This goes for any business you are in. I wrote 20 blog posts and only one performed well. Why? Because it was a unique piece of content. I'm not saying to invest in a new niche. I'm saying to come up with new ways to share information. Okay, the reason I could not make much money in 2013 was that I did not have a vision to find new ideas. I kept making videos on the same topic and people who copied my ideas outranked me. This happens mostly because you have lost interest in the topic or you're not fully knowledgeable about the niche. If you're trying your best and still not getting anywhere, it might be the time to enroll in a course and see what are you doing wrong. On average, an online business takes about a year to make any money. During this time, there's a huge possibility of giving up. However, you must keep in mind that online businesses are non-linear. This means that once you start making money, there's no limit. Look at my website. I never made over $1,000 monthly for first 3 years. In 2022, the website jumped, and ever since it has been giving me more than I spend time on it. Alright, some people give more time to unnecessary things and forget about the important things. When I started my website, I updated articles more frequently than creating new ones, and this was the reason it took me 3 years to write 100 articles. If you want results as soon as possible, you must learn to prioritize your work. One thing is to watch some videos on how to master your online business. You can also go to other creators' websites, channels and pages and see what they did initially and get some ideas. Okay, now you know the 5 main reasons. It's your job to figure out which reason or reasons are stopping you. However, while you do that, check out this video to see the best online money making ways with their difficulty level. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next time. Take care.